Hello, YouTube. It's your boy Tommy T here, and oh yeah, hello YouTube. It's your boy Tommy T here, and I just wanted to address um Urban and his crew, and just tell them or hell, not just Urban, Jethro, Tim, China, anybody who watches my channel. I don't really think Urban watches it that much. This isn't necessarily a hate video, really. So I'm not roasting anybody up too much. It's just me addressing the fact that I am not lefty. Now, I could play as lefty, and I might joke about it, but I'm not lefty. I'm not him. Now, I could kind of see where I would get confused because I do kind of, and really more than kind of, I'm 90%, not all the time, but like especially when he gets angry or his mic is not maybe recording. He's a little further from it or something. He sounds basically just like me. I don't know if he's gonna sound like me in this video, but so I just want to kind of address that. Uh, but yeah, basically that's what this video is gonna be about. I don't really have much other than that. I'm not ending it right now though. This is basically Lefty right here. You see these little pictures? I'm trying to find the suitable one, the cutest one. You know what? This is kind of cute right here. This is basically Lefty. Like, and if you meet him in person, I'm sorry, whenever Lefty gets mad, I picture a baby chick, just chirping away like chirp, 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 cheep, 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 chirp, chirp, chirp. That's what happens when Lefty gets mad. And it's probably very cute. He'll make sure he just does peck you. Lefty's probably like a cute little chicken belly thing. I don't know why. I just had to get that out of my brain. Um, Another thing is, Satano Fanny, please make more videos where you're talking. I know it sounds weird, but I'm addicted to your voice. Your voice just sounds so satisfying. You just, I'm sorry, you satisfy me, Satano Fanny. My my soul, whatever your name is now. Please make more videos with your voices in them. I miss your old videos. Okay, I just had to get it out. It sounds weird. Now Jethro, Tim, I'm not saying that I'm turning against you. I still watch our videos. They're all good. I just like I like Satano Fanny, his videos. His voices are satisfying. Um, so yeah, make more. Also, the anime that I told y'all about has came out. Well, not came out yet. Well, it did technically, but not the third episode. The third episode will come out tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. I need to check. Um, I guess I could go ahead and check it now. But yeah, that's Lefty right there. I'm sorry, that's Lefty. So yeah, I just want to address the fact that I am not I'm lefty. I know I sound like him, and again, like I was watching like a live stream, and like I forgot which one it was. It was like a few months ago, and his ass sounded just like me basically, and it creeped me out. Hell, I say he's a chick, but he might legit be like my clone. Like I hope I'm not his clone. He might be my clone. You know them cloning labs that they have. They might have done damn cloned me. So you got to watch out. I'm just playing with you, Lefty. But he does. He could be my clone. He could be my double if he wanted to. I know this is probably like a boring video, but really the point of this video was just to prove something. So yeah, this is the anime I told you about. It should drop sometime in tomorrow. Oh god, that looks so good. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so weird. And this is not my shit. This is just the ads that pop up. So don't call me perverted. I didn't put that up there. It's just the ads that pop up. I'm not denying that. That does look good. But anyway, I hope I don't get fucking deleted from YouTube for saying that. I might get deleted for cussing. So, that's really all I gotta say. So just for everybody, whether they be Urban, Death Row, Tim, the Sater Bros, Satano Fan, whoever watches my channel, hell, even the people at school, but they probably don't know any of this. So whoever it might be, basically just know that I am not, I am not Lefty. And for Urban, and I don't think Lefty, but Lefty might need to hear this too. Goki Yamoku Imki Yu Haki. I'm gonna say that one more time. Goki Yamokuku Imki Yu Haki. Basically, I probably butchered the Yamokuku. I'm just gonna say it one more time because I probably butchered it. Goki Yamokuku Imki Yu Haki. And that sounds Japanese, but it's not actually Japanese. That's actually Smigolian. That's my made up language. Basically, it means God save your soul. Goki is God. Yamokuku, wait a minute. Yamokuku is save. Yamokuku. Imki, whatever how you want to say. Imki is your actually is your, you, yours, stuff like that. It's actually a lot of pronouns relating to the other person. And Yu Haki is your soul. I really should have said oi, because oi is sounds Australian, but oi is hello in Smigolian, and eo like the moon, which actually kind of is fitting because we're talking about Lefty. Eo, that's kind of like a moon. Does that trigger you, Lefty? Is that like a wormwood eo of the moon and Saturn or something like that, Lefty? But that basically means goodbye, and it's kind of fitting because it's a name of a supposed moon. I'm a flat earther, but whatever. Eo. God, it's kind of, is that symbolism, Lefty? I'm not trying to pick at you, Lefty. If I could talk to you, that would be super satisfying too. So just remember this phrase. Anybody on here needs to remember this phrase. Goki yem o kuka. See, I can't even pronounce my own damn language. It's sad. Goki yem o ku imki yu haki yem mokuku. Goki yem okuku imki yu haki. Goki yem okuku imki yu haki. Goku yem okuku imki yu haki. Basically, I got tired of me saying that, but that just means God save your soul. Y'all need to get saved. I need to get saved too, so I can't really talk. Whoever's not saved, this is not even like a roast when I said that. It's just something that we all need to do, especially Urban. You know what? I'm not even going to pick at you, Urban. Call for number I really need to get saved. I mean, I can't really talk because I do stuff I shouldn't be doing. I'm just saying. Anyway, that being said, again, I'm not Lefty. I'm Tommy T. I'm not gonna say my home name, and I guess oi, as I say in Smigolia, oi. No, that's actually hello. I'm sorry. Well, yeah, hello, oi zai yo. No, that was hello and goodbye. No, for real. Yo, as I say in Smigolian, yo. I'm sorry I'm stumbling so much in my own language. Everybody gotta learn. You don't make mistakes. So, yo, or goodbye. And I guess I will see you in the next video. Yo!